This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by grabbing the spare winch tool and lug wrench. Those are usually stored under the rear seat or tailgate. Park on level ground, put the truck in park, set the emergency brake and chock a front wheel. Open the tailgate and remove the small access plug near the hitch or beneath the bed. This gives you the winch access point. Once you see the bolt head, insert the crank and get ready to lower the spare. Do not waste time, begin lowering now. You then crank the winch steadily. Follow the arrow and turn until the cable lowers the spare to the ground and the tire bears weight. Once down, inspect the retainer. Release the clip or unscrew the center retainer with pliers or the supplied tool. It often requires a firm twist. After the retainer is clear, slide the tire off the cable while someone steadies it. The spare can be heavy, so lift with knees. Make sure the cable clears the bead before pulling the tire fully free. You fit the spare onto the hub, hand thread the lug nuts to seat the wheel, then snug them in a star pattern to center the rim. Raise the truck off the jack stands, lower it fully, and torque the lugs to the manufacturer's spec. Check the sticker or manual. Many F-150s are around 150 lb-ft, but confirm for your model. If the winch or retainer is stuck, try penetrating spray, a few more firm turns, and only then call roadside assistance if it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.